Hey, so if your bit.ly link is not redirecting, yeah, that can be a big problem, especially if people can't reach your content. Maybe it just loads forever or shows an error page. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to solve the issue. First, check the original long URL behind your bit.ly link. If the destination page is broken or removed, the redirect won't work. Next, make sure the bit.ly link is typed correctly. Even a small mistake, can stop it from redirecting. Sometimes links are disabled due to policy violations or manual settings. Check your bit.ly dashboard. Try opening the link on a different browser or device. This helps rule out local issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies. This can fix redirect issues caused by stored data. If you're using a VPN or restricted network, disable it. Some networks block shortened links. In rare cases, bit.ly servers might be down. Check their status or wait a bit and try again. If nothing works, create a new bit.ly link with the same URL. This often fixes the issue quickly. So that's how to fix bit.ly link not redirecting. One of these steps should get your links working properly again. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Hey, so